What's good, YouTube? It's your girl, Nene Basalini, back with another video. And today, I got some tacos. And I'm just chilling and on shit. I'm about to get into it. I'm hungry. I'm ready to go to bed. Okay. Make sure y'all subscribe. Mm-hmm. Oh. Mm. I'm tired, y'all. I can't be on camera. I look a mess. I'm tired. I'm tired. Mm. This is the sauce I'm getting. It won't even come out. Oh! Mm. 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 I hit the spot, I'm telling you. Round two. Ooh, round two. Mm. Oh. Mm. Oh no. Mm. Oh shit, put you straight to sleep. Mm. Mm-mm. Town. Some of this mushroom. Okay. Mm. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. 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 Will you be somewhere feed Raphael titty or pumping some milk? Okay? She loves to lie. But you sit up here saying you got everything you need. You got cars and you got food and you don't have your kids. Okay? You don't have none of them. Mm-mm. Cool. God is not, that's not going to get you in heaven. If you wear long skirts, long dresses, none of that going to get you in heaven if your heart is still dirt. Okay? If your heart is still full of mess, you're not going to get in there. Long skirts and all can take the head. Okay? I don't know, taco the head. You don't care about that. You know how you like to say God don't care about stuff? Well, he don't think about your clothes if your heart is still full of crap. Okay? And for somebody that's still saying they only have 2 children, it sounds like to me like you got a lot of stuff still in your heart. Ain't no way in the world I keep saying I only got 2 boys. And I know I got 9 kids. Even if they're not there with you, they still belong to you. I'm getting sick of her children out of wedlock. Girl, you ought to be ashamed of yourself. Ain't nobody walking around calling you a child out of wedlock. Ain't nobody calling you a bastard child, none of that. So why would you keep calling your kids children out of wedlock? Them kids, those kids, children out of wedlock, rebellious children, hard-headed kids. Girl, you hard-headed kids. What did he call them, hard-headed kids? God, dog. Everything but yours. Y'all, can we get some gifts, y'all? We trying to get the 4 stars. We trying to get to the 4 stars. Hey, Charles. Hey, Miss. You know, if you want to, for your pleasure, have some phone call. Shout out to Black Velvet for putting me on that one. But that turmeric mess she made it herself. I know, I'm sure she did. Yeah, she talking about turmeric powder. What else she put in that mess, y'all? Yeah, she made that. So Miriam talks about a lot of stuff when she specifically talks about her children. You talk about your children, but one thing that you fail to realize is all of the issues that you have with your children, all of the sin that you say is upon your children is a result of you. This is all you. You have to be accountable for all, for all of them. I'm full. Well, I gotta stop. I'm full. I ain't gonna smoke me a blunt. Smoke me a blunt. I hit y'all later.